Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you guys kind of my Sunday night routine. Basically what I do to make sure that I'm going to start my week with kind of a smooth, positive transition. So what I do is basically, this is not a clean with me. This is what I do before I go to bed, just so I can wake up to kind of a peaceful environment. I hate waking up to dishes in the sink. Even though these are all washed, they're just sitting in the strainer. So I go through and I just dry off my dishes. Mind you guys, this is only on Sunday night. During the week, I can care less. But on Sunday nights, I just go ahead, wipe all the dishes down, put all the Tupperwares away. I always match my lids because they end up appearing in this house. And I just go through and just pick up and just wipe down stuff, so when I wake up in the morning it all looks nice and clean and put together, and I kind of have my life together. Who doesn't love a nice, shiny, clean sink? I'm just going in with a little bit of dish soap and my sponge and just wiping down both sinks because I have like one of these dual-ended sinks or whatever. And I'm just wiping it down. I'm going to wipe down the outside, and just so it looks pretty and shiny. And, you know, like I said, I'm pretending that I'm going to have my life together starting on Monday. Just going through and just giving the countertops a quick wipe down, because sometimes like water from the dishes will get on the counters and stuff. I'm just using the method. I think it's a sea salt and lime one. I love that for summer. It's like my favorite. I wipe down a little bit of the stove, just like I said, surface cleaning ish. It's not even really cleaning, it's just wiping it down. So I did use that air fryer for dinner tonight, and it was still warm, so I didn't want to put it away, so I just put it on top of my coffee bar. And yeah, and then after that we're gonna head on over to that dining room table. Mind you, my girls are already in bed for the night, so it's just me. I don't really have the lights on. It's just pretty low-key chill in here. So it does get a little bit darker around here, guys, but if I have all the lights on, the kids are gonna think it's party time, and we don't want them out of bed.
Saw you down the motorway. There was something about you that day. I can still hear the shimmering sound.
If you've seen them, they just popped up out of nowhere, and I had to send them right back to their room. I just went into the living room, and I'm picking up a couple pillows, and the kids left their flip-flops out, and just picking up big things. I'm going to put away the ketchup that was on that table because they just never put away their ketchup for some reason. And yeah. Every night I leave my coffee mug in front of my coffee pot, so it's there waiting for me like my best friend should be. Sundays I wash my hair, and I use this purple shampoo that's going to remove any brassiness or buildup in your blonde hair. It will keep your blonde brighter, my friends. And I'm going to go ahead and give my hair a like hair mask. I love that one. And using this exfoliator to get my skin nice and soft, and then following that up with this body wash, which is my current favorite. And to do that, I'm going to use this loofah, which is my jam, and this face mask. I need it. My face has been really like bumpy. And then obviously gotta clean your feet, girl. So we are nice and clean out of the shower, and I am using the TEAMI Soothing Face Oil. I love that one. Leo was the cameraman today, guys. So yeah, I just go ahead and I just rub it all over and I push it into my skin and bring it down my neck. I really, really love this one. It's really good for skin that's exposed to the sun. And I will go ahead and apply some under eye cream. This is the Ole Hendrickson one. I've used it for a couple years now. I mean, it's all right. If you guys have a good under eye cream, let me know, because yo girl is aging and I need it. And also I apply vitamin E oil to my lips, and then I rub it all over my hands, and I rub it on my cuticles, and then I bring it to my elbows, and I also rub it on my legs because my skin is so dry, especially after I shave my legs, that I just need the moisture in my life. Going through and brushing out my hair, I let my hair air dry, and I just comb it with this wide tooth comb just to avoid any knots, especially since my hair has been processed. And I'm going to leave a spray in there. It's also from that Eva NYC like 10-in-1 hair primer. I thought I liked it better before. I don't know. It's all right. I'm going to use it a couple more times and I'll give you guys an opinion. Before I go to bed, I go ahead and I put on this ear purifier. Love this thing. I bought one for my girls a few years ago because all my kids are asthmatic, so theirs is really loud, and this one has that sleep setting on it and you can't even hear it, and I just feel like I sleep so good. If you guys are interested, I will leave a link below so you can go ahead and get yourself one. Don't forget, Prime Day is coming, but this is going to wrap up my Sunday night bedtime routine. I'm going to go ahead and get some sleep, and I will see you ladies on the next one. Sweet dreams, my friends.